about getting so
They're how single parents do it.
you
Can
couldn't
imagine if I was
remember
a
that
kid
the
by myself,
Persians
what
tried
they
to
do to somebody.
exterminate the Jews.
Well, you can imagine. How many people
Now
do
it's
it?
nothing but a Halloween party 4 months too late. John, you can't even say Hakform Samayach anymore. Now it's just, hey, nice Superman costume. What's next? On Simchat Torah, they just read the clip notes and you're done? Hell no, not on my watch.
You gonna go up and down?
Yes.
Did you tell mommy?
Yeah, I have some.
Okay, 1 minute.
Alright, man.
Did you tell mommy?
We have an audience of Lutherans going.
And Lucas got up.
I thought they were going to talk about the sequester. I didn't realize.
Lucas, you want a tissue? You want up and down?
See, like 8 to 11:30. That was the longest stretch when you were up.
John, it's the year 5773 and this is still
You get that 3.5.
All right. Hang on.
stuck in the 56th century.
Say cheese.
Oy vey, such Michigan.
What are we going to do tomorrow?
Jessica Williams, everybody. We'll be right back.
The Daily Show.
Goodbye.
Test drive our nationwide 4G network.
Announcing a fast
Whoa.
way to get your family mobile.
Here we go. Up and down.